Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am going to take grammar chapter number 12, and already we were studying active passive voice, and most of the rules we have studied. Only few structures are left, and today I would like to confirm these also so that this chapter be finished. Actually, I'm taking first number. Already we have used all the sentences and changed by using by preposition. But here I'm taking without by preposition. Some sentences we have got, we are getting in our books, in anywhere. So we have to go through these also. How do we change these sentences into passive voice without by? Just like I'm taking examples. Number 1, the class elected him monitor. The class elected him monitor. And we have to change this sentence into passive voice. So first of all we take here object, and object is here him. Object is here him, and while we change it into passive voice, we write this him as object, we change here as a subject. So we write what is he. Him change into he. He, and this is here elected past tense. So we write past form of the verb. This is he was, means helping verb we use of past tense here. He was elected. He was elected. We write here he was elected the class monitor. We write here the class monitor, means we write here directly monitor. Class monitor we have not write, because this is a subject here, and subject comes after preposition and we are not using here. So we write directly what is he was elected monitor only. And if we are using preposition by, so after that by using preposition by, we write here by the class, but we are not using, so it is not necessary to write here subject in the end of a sentence. Second number you are looking here, they named their daughter Millie. They named their daughter Millie. So what is here object? Their daughter. Very simply it is coming out. Their daughter is a subject here, the object here. So we write first of all their, their, their daughter. We write here their daughter, and we are already looking this one sentence is of past tense. So we write here past helping verb, their daughter was, and verb what is here named, and named we write here named verb, there is named, we write named, and what is named? Millie. There is Millie, named Millie, we write so M-I-L-L-I, Millie. So we are writing what is their daughter was named Millie, but we are not writing by whom, means we are not writing here. So by is, we are not writing here by. I hope this is confirmed to you. Next one example also you can take, you can see in a book also, there are various examples given. Next I would like to tell you here children, second number, use of can, could, may, might, like this. How do we use here may, might, can, could? Means the use of may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would. Like this we get here, and there are several verbs given here and we have to use. So I am taking only measure. And how do we use in a sentences? Sentence number 1 I am taking children. So you have to go through it. Can you move this box? Just like I am taking, can you move this box? Move this box. Like this we take here, because this is a interrogative sentence. This is a interrogative sentence and we are going to change this one. So what are we taking in it? In it we take here directly this one is used. Why? Because this is in a present tense. This is in a present tense. So same helping verb is used here, because there is no change of helping verbs. And whether it is singular number or plural number, in both the condition same helping verb is used here. So we use here what is this object here. Can this box, we take here can this box, we are taking can this box and be moved by you. Be used here, be moved by, and in last we use here subject, what is by you, question mark. One thing I would like to tell you children, one thing keep in mind always, when these auxiliary verbs are used, just like may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, in all these auxiliary verbs we use only the singular, means base form of the verb after this. That is why while we change it into passive voice, we use here what is be. After using be, we can use here third form of the verb. But if it is not coming, we cannot use third form of the verb. You have to keep in mind always. Another example I am taking also second number. You can see this one. You can observe it also. What is may God bless you with health? May God bless you with health. With health, we write here. So what are we getting? May God bless you with health. In such conditions, what do we use? May you be. Just like already I have told you here. May you be. This one already coming. May you. What is object here? You. So it is coming. May you be. Already coming this is. Because we have to use third form of the verb. May you be blessed. May bless is given here. So we write here blessed. May you be blessed with health. With health. May you be blessed by the or with health. We write here with health. Like this we write here. So these are the use of means can, could, shall, should, will, would. Like these helping verbs are these. And we can understand. I hope this is confirmed to you. I hope this is confirmed to you. Now I am going to take next one also. Next one, what is third rule I am taking? Other uses are also given here. Third rule I have to take. In third rule, what are we getting? Change from the passive voice, or more example just like imperative sentences are also given here. The enemy has captured the city. The enemy has captured the city. Some more examples are also given. I am taking these. Number 1, the enemy has captured the city, like this given here. While we change this sentence into passive voice, we write here what is the city has been captured. The city, this is object here. The city has been captured, If we are using preposition by, we use this one preposition and we write also by the enemy, and if we are not writing, we don't write here, and this is also passive voice. Next example also you can take. They know it. They know it means second number example. They know it, just like it is given. While we change it also, so object what is it, so we write it is known. It is known by them. If we are using preposition by, so we use here by them, full stop. Like these are we are using. One more thing also I would like to use, because I would like to complete this topic today. So how to change from passive to active voice. How to change passive to active means passive into active. Passive into active. We have to change these sentences, and how are we changing these? You have to see properly. I am changing these. Number 1, a letter was written by him. Just like example I am taking, children. A letter is written by him. This is here in a passive form. This sentence is in a passive form. But while we change it into active form, so first of all we have to write subject here. Means he, means object is here, this subject here, means it is used here as object, so we write here first of all subject here. He writes, because it is in present tense, so we write here he writes a letter. He writes a letter. This is a active form. Another example also you can take. There are several examples given in a book. You take, change these, practice it also, and complete in a book also. Whatever exercise are left, I am going to send you, and you have to complete in a book properly. Okay students, I hope it is confirmed. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.